Hello and welcome to EF Group once again. Today we're going to spotlight on exhibition freighting, and my name's Goatcher. Exhibition freighting were formed in 1982, which makes us nearly 40 years old now. And what I want to do today is briefly explain about exhibition freighting and how we as a company can benefit you as the exhibitor. Exhibition freighting ship freight globally to exhibitions, whether by sea, air or road. The most important element for us is that we have control of your freight at all times, and we communicate this with you, the client. In a lot of cases we will have personnel on site or our local agent will be on site to make sure the freight is safely delivered to the stand and that all pieces are accounted for. We check for any signs of damage and we will text or email a photo of the freight in situ. This means you know the freight is safe and on site before you travel out. During the show we will discuss where you want the freight to go after the show, and we will then sit down with our local agent and go through this disposal instruction, giving the agent the instructions where the freight must go. So back to your premises, onto another show, or maybe being sold and remaining in country. Once the show finishes, we will be on site to make sure all the empty cases and packaging are returned to the stand, and as quickly as possible. We can assist with repacking freight, shrink wrapping pallets, and making sure everything is secure. We provide labels to you for the onward journey, and we will make sure your freight is labelled correctly. We will then, if possible, bring all of your freight together and consolidate in a part of the hall where we can once again check piece counts and condition of your freight. The end of a show is always a fast-moving scenario. We will ensure that the transport gets to the site, navigates to the halls and stand, and then we will oversee the freight being reloaded onto the transport. We are on site to make sure that the correct pieces are loaded to the transport and oversee this loading with the site contractors. We make sure all the paperwork is completed correctly and that the freight is expedited from the show floor. For more information, please visit our website on www.exhibitionfreighting.co.uk.